A single Aragon/ANT coin is now worth $8.43. In the past 24 hours, it's gone up by 0.46%. The price of ANT ended higher than it started 51.41% of the time. In our base, the highest price for one ANT was $13.13 2 years and 11 months ago. The price is now 35.79% lower than that high point. There are 17 technical indicators, and 6 of them say to buy and 8 say to sell. Based on technical price research, the short-term prediction sentiment is bearish. The first big level of resistance for ANT's rise is at $8.51. It needs to close above that level to keep going up, and $7.46 is the level of support at the bottom. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $7.46. The next level of support is at $9.07. If it can close above $8.51, on the other hand, it can go up to that level. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is now at 41.69, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is at 44.65, which also shows that the market is acting normally. 4 times out of 7, the price of ANT on the last day of April was higher than the open price. 3 times out of 7, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. For 8 years in a row, January has been the best month for Aragon. 6 times as much ANT was worth at the end of January as it was at the beginning of the month. 6 times out of 8, the price at the end of June was less than the starting price. June is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. Aragon has had 4 bull runs. The first one started in June 2017 and ended soon after at $4.36. Just 148.04 days later, the price fell to its lowest point at $1.16. Before the next bull run, it took about a year from June 2017 to hit a new all-time high. It's been 1,094 days since the last bull run in April 2021. It takes at least 208 days for ANT to reach the new ADH, and up to 933 days at its longest. Our Aragon price forecast says that the price of ANT could reach $0. Long-term predictions say that the price will be $19.11 in 2025 and $37.39 in 2030. These predictions will be out in 10 days. Taking all of the past highs and lower timeframe predictions into account, the prediction for 2040 is $117.39. We think the price of Aragon will be $19.11 in 2025. That's the highest price we think ANT will go to, and the lowest price we think it will go to is $14.08.